I'm of course Lycan-Strife, and today we're going to take a closer look at the Knuckles Duster 2. Now, you've seen me unbox these Knuckles Duster 2. They are from Betaform Solutions, and yeah, they look really cool, nice packaging, and they feel really nice, which is of course the main thing that you're looking for grips regarding your valve index controllers as shown here. Now, they clip on, they feel rubbery, soft, they're not hard plastic like the valve index themselves. And yeah, the finger rests are really great, and they just feel all in all like more of a pistol grip, if we could give an example like that. So yeah, we're gonna check them out right now in a VR game and see how they work. I'm gonna start off with one controller, and the trick is, as far as I remember, because I've only read it once, I'm not doing it now, I'm seeing if I can still remember this. I'm gonna press the on button on the controller, and then I just have to squeeze it as tight as I can. So here goes. I'm gonna hold it like I'm doing right now. Turning it on and squeezing it as much as I can. Okay, that one is now locked. We're gonna go over to this one. I'm gonna squeeze this one too. Okay, it's now green. And in the meantime, I'm just gonna go and do a little bit of tapping, so that it can feel that there's something on there, but it's trying to, try to get that thing done. And now we're gonna switch over to the game. Okay, so now the question is, press and hold HMD reset your current play stance for sitting or blah blah blah. There we go. Load save game. Oh no, are you kidding me? Oh no. So my whole save game is gone. I'm checking this out right now. It seems to work really well, actually. It's these last three fingers. I'm doing the thumb as well, but it's probably because how it's done like this in the game. Okay, but this works really well. Takes a little bit getting used to. Take food from your backpack. Oh. Okay, so it really takes some getting used to while you're in the game, but as you can see, the fingers are working flawless. Yeah, so this is really a nice invention that they made. Of course, it's something that already existed, but I did not want to go for those plastic grips. I really wanted something that's nice and firm and that feels like you're holding a gun, and that's gonna work or transition over into the game when I have guns in my hand or whatever. It's gonna feel that way, which is gonna be great. So that's an added bonus. Other than that, the finger rests are just really great, and it seems to just work really well. And setting them up is a breeze, because all you have to do is just grab on firmly to the controller when you turn them on, tap a little bit with your fingers, and they're calibrated. So it's really easy, which I like a lot, of course. Now, I keep want to use my index finger for this mission to grab stuff, but I only should use the grab without the trigger. Oh, flashlight. See? So I'm using my you can see that my index finger is staying away. Alright, time for some combat. Man, this has been a long time ago. I've been playing this game when it came out so much, and yeah, it was great. But of course, I have a new PC, and I forgot to transfer my save game, so that sucks. And it's lagging a little bit, probably because I'm recording, even though it should be great. That doesn't work, as you can see. Weapons have a durability, we know. I actually have to check certain things in the options, but I'm not going to be able to play this game for long anyway, because of course we're doing this for purposes of this these grips that we're using right now. This still works, and it's so gratifying. Make combat and movement more difficult. Yep. Roger that. Running. I have to shove them. Fuck off. Fuck off, bitch! Fuck off! I hate them. They look like the Scarecrow. Oh man. Gotta get this on a little bit. But yeah, I mean, even the devs of this game sponsored me with this game. So, shout out to them, the makers of Saints and Sinners, Walking Dead, because this is like really, truly a very cool... Oh yeah, I have to grab it. Like, what? No. Oh, what? I have to use it. I can't use it like that. Don't remember. Grab the ammo box. Your ammo pouch. There. Then grab the gun. Oh. Still getting used to. There we go. Okay, so this was cool. I remember this. It's like, what's up, dude?
You've seen all
I didn't like him. Oh, see, there's a new dude.
seen all there is to see.
Boom! I got 2 guns now, bitch!
Now that you've seen all there is to see, would you like to exit the combat tutorial?
Yes. Holding the B button, using the right analog stick to go there, and then let B go.
I'm gonna treat you as kindly as the ones in here.
Still weird, but yeah, this works so well. Really, well, you don't know what to expect when you get products. And again, shout out to Betaform Solutions for giving me a severe discount. And they were honestly intrigued by what I had to say about these grips. But they're just amazing, man. They're so good. And yeah, I am baffled by the fact that they made this and that it works so well. It's amazing. Yeah, feels so much better. I think therefore my hands, they're a little bit too thick because I'm pretty much on the edge of what these are made for. But technically these grips are made for people with a specific measurement, and you can check that out on their website. Guess what? You dudes with your stupid masks and shit. Eat it. Eat it! But this game, man, holy crap, this game is so immersive. Even though it's a little bit cartoony. But just the fact that you're holding your arms like this and seeing your hands move like that, it's really great. Oh, you can see it right now that the thumbs don't have tracking. I don't know why that is, but everything else seems to work. See, everything, that's why the thumb is moving, because you're not doing that yourself. It's just how it's coded into this game. But it's not needed, you know, to have a thumb button per se in this game. It's so much better feeling where your fingers need to go instead of just having a complete slide, you know? Something that's completely without texture where you just don't know where to put your fingers. Now, I really have the feeling, like I said, like I'm holding a weapon, like a gun or a sword. And those are actually the 2 logos or the 2 things that you can see on their box. It's a sword and a gun. And yeah. What maybe this is also something that nobody has talked about, but when you have smaller, thinner hands, but still longer fingers, kind of like I do, I have a little bit like those goblin hands, fingers, you have to tighten the strap on your Valve Index controller a lot. But now, because you have a thicker grip, you actually get to use a different part of that string that you're trying to fasten on your hand, if you understand what I'm saying. Like before, you were tightening it so much that it had to go very tight. Oh crap, where's my gun? There's no gun! Ah crap, no more bullets. At least I got 3 though. But yeah, anyway. Alright, Skydance Interactive. Shout out to Skydance Interactive. Without me screwing over the whole thing here. And Skybound. The Walking Dead. Saints and Sinners. But yeah, to get back on the little thing that I was saying, like you're using the cord, and because it's thicker now, you're using less cord, which makes it better, because maybe that prolongs the life of your cords and everything. because if you constantly have the same set of hands in here, you're tightening it very hard. Now you're tightening it a little bit because it's already grippy enough. See, and again, they wobble a little bit because the sides are a little bit more, how do you say that? More going outward instead of being thick or extra wide. But you can still, see, you can still throw a grenade. They still don't fly off. So yeah, that's good, you know. Oh, this silhouette though. So let's see if we can go to the menus. I don't remember how we did that. Was it this button? Oh yeah, this is a little bit of a gripe that I'm having right now. I gotta be honest. It's difficult to use your thumb to get to the settings menu. Voice immersion, enable, because that's cool. Then you can talk towards the zombies. So the reason why actually the devs of this game sponsored me with this game and the more expensive edition is that actually I bought it first and they refunded me because I was having problems with the Valve Index controllers. And I've been actually been talking to them for months after the game released, trying to figure out how we could fix these settings and stuff like that. So the cool thing is I had to use a user input to make the controls work, and then after that they were able to fix everything for me, which was absolutely great. Okay, so this is ducking. Yeah, this is nice. This is the toggle. This is the problem what I had with the game. I could not toggle the crouch. I couldn't even crouch in the beginning of the game. And so like I said, we had lots of problems regarding the oh, come on. Regarding the controls, which are fixed now. So the cool thing is, as far as I know, I can call zombies. Hey! See? He listens. What's up, bitch? What's up, bitch? I got something for you. I got it. I got it. Come on. Bam! Hello? Morgan! What did I say about going into the garden like this, unsupervised? You bastard. Yeah, I know. You were looking for some lettuce, I understand. Come on then, bitch. Come on! In the face! Yeah. Suck it. Okay, I think that's everything here. But yeah, like I said, everything works really well, and gripping is a lot easier to do. Maybe another small gripe that I just figured out. When they're not seated perfectly and you're gripping like this, you can kind of feel that they're sliding over the controller a little bit. It's not that bad. So yeah, that's actually the only thing that I have to complain about, that you can really feel sometimes that they're sliding, but I think that's just about the proper placement that you have to use for yourself. And the thing that you're using, the chords, might be a good thing, might be a bad thing, you know? How you, depends on how you use it and how much you tighten it. But yeah, other than that, I think these things are absolutely great. And again, shout out to Betaform Solutions for sponsoring this video, sponsoring me with a severe discount regarding 2 sets. Hey! Hey, shitface! What's up, shitface? Come on now. Come on. Ah! Oh, I really wanted to see his face. Yeah. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, his lip is completely fucked up. Alright. I love this game. This game is so amazing. If you guys haven't checked this out yet, you should definitely check it out. No, you should not go look at any other Walking Dead game. The only game you should check out is this game right here, this VR game, Saints and Sinners. This is one of the best VR games in my opinion. So yeah, again, this has been Lycan-Strife Driftwolf Gaming, and I'm out. See you guys in the next videos. Please leave a like and subscribe. Shout out to the sponsors. Go check them out. Betaform Solutions, Knuckles Duster 2, and of course, Saints and Sinners, the Walking Dead VR game at Steam. Yeah.